Hello everybody, welcome to Lines Reviews. Today we are looking at this Onshowy Car Vacuum. Plug it into your cigarette lighter and turn it on. It has a little attachment so that you can reach further or get it down into the seats of your vehicle. And when you are done with the cord, it's got a nice little thing to wrap it back up and keep it all nice and neat. It comes with an instruction manual and comes with a really cute carrying case. Stick it in, zip it up, and it even has a nice little handle. Perfect size for being in the car. If you need anything to vacuum up, rocks, dog hair, cat hair, anything you can think of. It's a really nice little vacuum, and I think that you will enjoy it. I really like the carrying case that comes with it. And the cord is actually quite long as well, so you can reach the entire car. If you have any questions, please see the links below. And this has been an opinionated video. Thank you for watching Lines Reviews. Have a wonderful day.